Of Late, the chat show hosted by your Z Takeover Cobrador. Ayun na nga guys, na after natin mag-react doon kay Ray Victoria, dumako naman po tayo sa isa pang trendy news. Of course, it's showtime! Celebrating your 16 years anniversary. Ay! Sa ating mga global kapamilya dyan, of course, forever kapamilya, it's Showtime is celebrating their 16-year anniversary. So maraming pasabok. And ako naman mag-comment na ako dito. Kahit naman di naman talaga kailangan talaga mag-comment pa ako. Sino ba naman ang ZTake Oba? Pero to be honest po talaga, as a big Showtimer myself, as in sobra talagang ina-idolo ko talaga si Vice Ganda. And then, since bata pa lang talaga ako, I used to watch Showtime talaga, you know? And then knowing that there are 16 years na, it's just like, so happy. Yes. Alam ko nag-comment si Meme Vice, nagsabi niya sila na walang magpasikat this, or na-postpone na magpasikat kasi diba, ayun naman laging inaabangan natin sa totoo lang talaga. And medyo mahal daw. And, excuse me po. Medyo mahal daw yung production ng magpasikat. So, konting tiis lang tayo, guys. Alam naman natin na parang yung digital landscape talaga and ang free TV, magkaiba talaga mga marketing, no? So, I'm just happy na parang ABS-CBN is still doing their hardest to give, even myself, kasi I'm from California, no, isa talaga sa happy pill ko yung panonood ng Showtime. And knowing na may Showtime pa din forever, it's something na parang masaya lang kasi, I'll be honest, when I was in the military, pagkatapos ng bootcamp ko talaga, nag-binge watch talaga ng GGV tsaka ng it's Showtime, oy! Yeah. Yes, and then I met Meme Vice Ganda dito sa California nung Majesty concert siya. And she's very, very nice. And I know that pinag-iipunan nila mabuti ang big production number. Kasi last time, di ba, parang ano ng SB19? Ando ng Bini. At nagpa-circus si Kim Chiu. I love Kim Chiu talaga. You know what? Napapansin ko din parang ang daming bago. Well, that's the thing. Every time naman marami talagang mga context doon sa mga bagong segments sa Showtime, no? Pero in 16 years, I think yung favorite kong nilang ginawa, yung Pastillas Girl. Ay! Hindi, sa totoo lang talaga, yung segment ng pinakauna, yung dance contest pa lang, tapos yung pinaka-core memory ko ng Showtime, yung napakadaming hurado ng Grand Finals. Opo, yeah. Nakakamiss lang. Tapos, yung parang, kasi syempre, iba na rin ng audience ng Showtime. Tumatanda na tayo. Sumasakit-sakit na mga likod natin. As a madlang people myself, iba rin na yung energy level ng Z-Takeover. No? So parang nararamdaman ko rin na medyo iba yung hype ng Showtime. Hindi na kagaya ng dati. Kasi syempre, di ba, tayo as a millennial audience nila, syempre mga Gen Zers pa din naman ang audience. Pero medyo kalmado yung Showtime. Parang, alam mo na, kasi parang, na sila eh. Dati may pinapatunayan pa eh. Pero now, parang alam na nila na parang no matter what they do, syempre, I think naman, concerned pa rin sila sa rating. Pero, habit na siya eh, you know? Parang pagkakain ka, pag malungkot ka, you want to pampalipas ng oras. Even now, they're making it as informative. Kasi before, yung mga politics, naman siya na pinag-uusapan, di ba? Ngayon, may mga donation issue na line. Now, just to be honest, like I really like that like Meme Vice Ganda is using her platform to advocate sa nangyayari sa bansa, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng artista they wanna do that, especially may mga brand endorsement, etc. Tsaka sometimes it's really like a sensitive topic. Pero now I think a lot of people are consider the Filipinos they want something new and they want to advocate more na para pagod na pagod na ang Pilipino sa mga corruption. Sobrang bongga yung ginagawa nila time. And then they're also trying to uh, give more kasi before pa lang, diba? Yung parang sila naman talaga hindi naman feel ko ang mga big prices. Parang more entertaining. Hindi nila pero now they're really trying to do their effort to give more prizes, especially in Laro pick na segment nila, to help the other Filipinos. While at the same time entertaining the audience. So, sobrang bongga yan. And then, palaki na ng palaki yung Showtime family. Sobrang love it. Yeah, tapos ito pa nga yung nasagap ko lang na balita sa Facebook. So, hindi ko alam kung alam niyo naman baka may fake news to or whatnot. Pero nagsalita na po ang kampo ng probinsya ng madadamay ba tayo? Baka damay-damay na to, guys. Damay-damay na to, ha? Hindi, pero nagsabi na yung nag-donate si Meme Vice, diba? Nagsabi na yung barangay ata or like yung tawag dito, yung government official that like they're very, very supportive and thankful dun sa donation ni Meme Vice, and they even like put some receipt of how much monetary help that Meme Vice did provide, and they also share their thought and emotion about what Meme said on air. Tayo na mo lahat pinapanigan dito, no? So I'm not even gonna say or repeat what they said, pero I think the core topic here is that Meme Vice help the school yung school in-acknowledge yung help, and I think doon pa lang we just be thankful, diba? Yung kabilang ay naku, GG ka ba talaga? Kasi sinabi nila ano daw talaga, parang hindi nila may pinaprotekta ba sa channel na to? Parang madadamay pa talaga ako, diba? Gusto nga, yung eyebags ko nga, diba? Mamaya na naman, mabash-bash na si take over dito. Goodbye. Yung box ko din talaga, hindi ko kaya minsan. Hindi ko na alam, pasyete na ba yung buhok ko dito. Pero anyways, guys, congratulations to Showtime family, and of course, sa mga Showtimers dyan, abang-abang lang tayo, guys, no? December daw ang magpasikat. Oy, sino mang, alam nyo ba, parang feeling ko talaga, kasi yung kay Meme, sobrang bongga yung mga production and everything, yung mga advocacy doon, diba talaga? Pero si Kim Chiu talaga, Diyos ko, dahil tsaka si Ann Curtis, pala yung mga teen girls talaga, na bakit din ng mga production, buwis-buhay talaga. Alam mo yun, yung mga concept kumemero, ayun sila Kim Chiu, sila Jokes and Teddy and everything, of course, diba? Pero yung kay Meme, mahal din yung mga production ni Meme din talaga. Isang talaga, sobrang gastos talaga, tsaka may mga bardagulan ng mga sponsorship. Diba may mga Jollibee, McDo, hanggang sa wala ka Chowking. So abangan natin yan, oy, kung sinong mananalo sa Showtime 16 years anniversary magpasikat. Sobrang bongga yan, guys, no? So that is our takeaway sa ating It's Showtime. Don't forget to tell the universe that the day is gonna be a good day para bang energy. Gonna your life matter, my life matter. Continue praying for world peace. If you know someone experiencing mental health or depression, make sure to check. And of course, ask her. I'll see you guys again next time. And bye.
Z of Late, the chat show hosted by your Z Takeover Cobrador.